Or you've seen accounts online posting YouTube and Instagram videos, posting tweets. Maybe you're even on an email list. Before this, you just saw this as content. However, you are about to learn how thousands of dollars per month in income have been sitting in front of you this entire time. Understand, freelancing is offering services such as copywriting, video editing, content creation, and more in exchange for money. You don't need any previous experience or some fancy website. Instead, you will use what I call the money bag method. This method allows you to exponentially increase your income without needing to trade your time. I will show you how to leverage other people to do the work for you. I will help you pick your skill, teach you how to find clients, then you will master the ability to sell your skill while learning the cutting edge of quantum AI technology. Using my Simple Steps program, you will know what to do daily, step by step, from a total beginner to having your own money printer, aka business, where anytime you want to increase your income, you don't have to ask your boss. Instead, you easily will just take on another client. I will see you inside of the freelancing campus.